Walled city with a gigantic castle, in fact castles, and it's very hard to get to. The train is the best option, even though there's no direct train there. In the winter it's hard to get there on the by car, so we'll show you how to get there, which is this train, which is absolutely fantastic, even if the train station isn't very good. Can I have a ticket for this train to for this 10 a.m. this one? There were 4 tickets, Chetri. Sofia to Ghana. Yeah.
Go ticket?
Pardon? Group? 4 people, yeah. 4, sorry, for Chetri. That's Chetri, isn't it? Yeah. To, yeah, Ghana.
Cash или card?
Cash, please.
Okay. 62,80.
62.80. We'll do coffee. No, I've never seen anything like this station. There's no information, there's no boards, and everything's in Bulgarian. And we don't know what platform, there's no platform numbers. There's no numbers on the platforms. Yeah. Oh, there's a train coming in. Oh, second. That was a newer carriage though, doesn't it? Can you get up there?
Oh yeah.
So we're on our second train of the journey. We've got some snacks, and we've got about 3 hours on this train to Veliko Tarnovo, and we're going through all the mountains at the moment and all the ski resorts. And this is the most modern carriage, and it's pretty comfortable. It's really comfortable. Hasn't got any charging points, but apart from that, it's like a modern train, but the engine's not. And this is the ancient capital of Veliko Tarnovo. And there's the that was, and then that way you've got the old city, sorry, the new city. The old city's here and the new city's that way, so we're actually in the old part. So yeah, Veliko Tarnovo is built on a hill. All the buildings look like that. It's the old style. But actually you can't see them because that other side of the river is the new part. And we've got, I think, a load of swifts swarming. And that's the National Gallery. Come here, Donna. Look at all these swifts. I think they're swifts. There's hundreds of them. And that's the National Gallery there. And then you've got the monument to the first rulers of Bulgaria, Greater Bulgaria. So this is Veliko Tarnovo Old Town. And we're heading towards the castle, hopefully. So there's on two sides of the river, there's two castles. Oh, here we go. So yeah, there's two. Obviously you can't visit the other one because the walls are basically gone. 4 Chetri students. No, okay, 4, yeah, 4. England.
60 level.
60.
Cash card?
Cash.
Okay.
Oh, we tried.
We tried, Gareth.
Tried.
Try students. She's just laughing at us. Is this a drawbridge? Could be. You got your first tower. If that fell, you've got your second tower, then you get third tower. Tower. In case the first one fell. So to go around this place takes about 3 hours, 4 hours. So we're going to the first guard tower. We're not going miles and miles. We're going.
Right, here.
It's all right.
Really now.
So this is still, yeah. I'm going into this guard tower. We don't want to get too lost, obviously. Then we're going up to the church or cathedral. Whoa. Yeah, it's hard to. These steps are really uneven, so you have to go back on yourself. You cannot go anywhere else. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Can you go down there? It don't look like it. Well, maybe. And we've got a lot of children up here. Yeah. We tried to make it as realistic as possible, so that's why there's no handrails apart from here where there is. So they must have had a bit of accidents or something. Mini golf. Model village. You got the airport, you got Sofia Cathedral. So we're going up here now. So what did you say, 1100s it was started? Oh, there's another room. Huh. Another room. Wonder that was for boiling oil or were it toilets? What do you reckon this, for boiling oil or toilets?
Boiling oil.
Yeah. Could be, or both. Could be.
Yeah, I think they just throw anything.
Oh, we're finally at the top. Well, we're not. Got to go up there yet. Up to the cathedral. Or monastery or whatever it is. So, today is like the hottest day we've ever felt this year.
you're looking at about 37. The centre of the country actually gets the hottest weather, not the Black Sea, because the Black Sea's got a breeze. It's probably only about 28 there today, but it's like 37 here. And in Plovdiv, I wouldn't like to know what it is in Plovdiv, because Plovdiv is the hottest place in the country. So it's art. We wanted a cafe because we're stable. Yeah, it's an art gallery. It's an art gallery. Oh, they're doing that. Oh, the photos were you. Oh, I can hear Queen, unfortunately. So finally, after 20 minutes, with about 3 stops, we're at the top, going into the Cathedral. Patriarchal Church is its full description. So Patriarchal Church. So anybody's Orthodox, you can tell me what that means. Yeah, it was all icons and gold originally, this church, but yeah.
Yeah.
was destroyed during the conquest by the Turks in 1393. Today, in the restored memorial, monumental
At the history of that painting, because I don't know what happened, but I think because it's too communisty looking, you know, the artwork, they didn't, whoever, the church, and don't forget this was really one of the oldest churches going, they said no, we're not having it. So